Hi, in this video I'm going to show our newest VoIP extenders. These extenders support KVM function. You will find the input source is from my computer. Input to this transmitter. Through the NAND cables to the receivers. The transmitter distance maximum up to 150 meters. If there's a long-distance transmission request, we can use the fiber module to transmit. Its maximum support 8 kilometers now. You will ask why use this PoE switcher? Because its extenders support PoE function. The LAN cable come out through this PoE switcher. No need to another power adapter to these two extenders. Also, the receiver. This system supports KVM functions from the receiver and connected to the keyboard and the mouse. We will show the KVM functions now. There are two buttons here, switch 1 and switch 2. When I press the switch 1, you will find on the display that the updated ED and the baud rate, MAC address, IP address, and so on information. If I press switch 2, you will find on display the USB owner information. Means that the operator has the right to control the PC by the receiver end. I will control it, change to another channel. Change to this one. Close. On.